I have to
Oh,
ask this
yeah.
question. Where does accountability come into the picture in terms of gaining and keeping, and despite shiny objects and all the other things, our own POVs and mandates in our own departments? Where does accountability come into this, and who holds that accountability?
I think each leader holds some level of accountability, but at the end of the day, it is the CEO who has the ultimate accountability. It sounds very easy. So, a CEO is the general manager, the coach, the person that is making sure that every player knows where they need to be at all times. The designing for a team, not just assembling a group of people, is what I see most successful CEOs doing. So when CEOs are thinking about, I need a team of people who can operate together, who can work together, who can mediate any challenges that may present themselves amongst the team members, it's a game changer. It is literally saying, instead of I'm hiring that person for that skill and I'm hiring that person for that skill, I'm hiring these people because together we are better and can operate as one. At the end of the day, who's accountable? To me, it's the CEO or president, whatever that title is for a particular business. Below the CEO, though, each member has to be accountable for their KPIs, for driving the outcomes that they've agreed to. But they first need to be aligned to driving the outcomes for the business and then their function. Accountability, when done that way, results in transformative companies.